Welcome back, everybody. Last time we looked at an MCP implementation with a client and a server to perform a mathematical calculation and then display the results in an external application, which was free form in our case inside a triangle in a text box. Right, this is something similar. We are again using um, uh, this same problem to calculate the same mathematical calculation, but in this case the results are going to be sent across via an email, right? Last time we had one client file and two server codes, one server code. This time we have one client, which is the talk to MCP, and two servers. One is the original one, which has all the calculations, right, all the uh, tools needed for our calculation, and the other one is the server for using and accessing Gmail, right? This one has the code that is needed to set up a connection uh, with Google Gmail API and sending emails, right? So this is exactly alike template wise to what we did last time. We have the MCP tool constructor using which we let uh, the, the process know what tools are available, what can be used, and that is consumed by the LLM to identify what tool it can use to achieve the end goal, right? um, just shout out, the Gmail MCP implementation was with reference to this um, Medium article, so credit where credit is due. Now let's take a look at the flow and see how it goes, right? Right, the execution is complete. I'm now gonna switch on to directly the email. I'm not gonna show the email, my inbox, for obvious reasons. I'm just gonna show you the email right away. Alright, as you can see, we are in the email. The email is brand new, it's 0 minutes ago, and it's telling us the sum of exponents of SK value of India is 7.5998, right? We have subject exponential sum of SK values. So it works. Let's take a look at the logs, right? So we have establishment of all our connections. We have um, let's see, so we have the two server connections which are established, right? We have the two sessions established. Then we're pulling all the tools. It is telling us 26 tools in the math server, 6 tools in the Gmail server. In all we have about 32 tools that the LLM can access. So first it takes a look and it calls the strings to characters, then int list to exponential sum. From there on, it calls the function send email because it has done its calculations. Now when you send email, we can see the parameters. It has picked up my email ID, um, the subject, which it has figured out on its own based on the activity that's provided. Message also the LLM has generated on its own, and the final result. And it has displayed the final result, and we have the values, right? um, this code is present on my Git as well. You can take a look at the code. If you have any feedback, if you have any suggestions, do let me know. And as usual, have fun. Take care. Thank you.